As a child, I liked to read. My path was, to a large degree, designed by my need to make a difference. When I went to college, my dad had a little restaurant, but we got into real financial issues, and for a while we were just about homeless. And so that sense of lack of security and seeing my parents struggle so much, I wanted to help them. And so that was my first reason for going to college. I got a scholarship, luckily, and I was able to go to school. And it paid off because I was able to help them. I did eventually become a teacher and then a professor. I believe that most people are really smart in one arena or another. If you have schools and colleges and universities that understand some of the barriers that kids run into, they can make many more kids successful. And I think that a lot of that is already beginning to happen. I think there's some wonderful things going on in our district to bring folks along that might otherwise have dropped out. One of the reasons I'm so passionate about community colleges.